Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Um, we have done many videos with the Neo 7 Pro, and as this is a modern era of smartphones, so according to me, nowadays people take smartphone just for two reasons. That is for the gaming and for the camera. For the gaming department, we have already done the review with the BGMI and the Fortnite. Now it's time for me to give my reviews on camera. So let's get started. Talking about all the photos that are being taken, there is only one thing in common, that it is over sharpening the human skin tone, which needs to be corrected. Right now I'm shooting this video with the front facing camera of this Neo 7 Pro. As you can see that the dynamic range is good, and that is, this video is on 30 fps. I'm very surprised that why iqoo has given only 1080 with 30 fps. According to me, iqoo should give 4K video shooting option with this front facing, because the processor is quite capable of handling the video with the front facing camera as well. So now till now you have got the idea that how the front facing camera is working. So let me, now I'm running. As you have observed that there is no stabilization while recording the video from the front facing camera. Right now I'm shooting with the rear camera of this Neo 7 Pro with the standard stabilization on at 1080 with 60 fps. As you have observed the video quality at this frame, there is an option of 2x as well. So let me zoom that. Yeah, at 2x the video is performing very good, and it's right now on the 2x. Here the standard stabilization is on. The dynamic range is also very good. The camera is performing very well, as it is a gaming smartphone, but still the camera the iqoo has given is quite amazing. You can see the dynamic range, very good, very good. Right now I'm shooting with the ultra stabilization option on with 1080 at 60 fps. Well, I've observed one thing, that when I'm moving my camera frame, the speed at which I am moving this camera, the frames are not in the ratio while moving the camera. So you can see that it is focusing very good, very good. Yeah, very good performance. Right now I'm shooting this with 4K 60 fps with the standard stabilization on. As you can see that how the camera is performing while moving, how the standard stabilization is working. Well, the quality of the video is very good, very amazing. And in this option also they have given the 2x option as well for the zoom, so you can get the idea that how the zoom is performing. I'm zooming this. Yeah, very nice performance. See the dynamic range, very nice. Shooting with 4K 60 fps with the ultra stabilization on option. this option also I am observing that the frames are not in the ratio while I am moving the frame of the smartphone. You can see the stabilization. Again, I'm going up with the stairs. You can have a idea about what is the stabilization performance at this FPS. There is a dual view mode option as well in this camera department of this new 7 Pro. Right now I'm on the terrace of my home, so you can get an idea about how the camera is performing. And yeah, very amazing to see that they have given a very different type of a ratio of the video frame, that is 1080 at 27 fps. So first time I'm seeing this. Well, you can have an idea how the video is performing. Please do let me know in the comment section that how the camera is performing. Right now I'm shooting with this rear facing camera with the ultra wide option at 1080 at 30 fps with the ultra stabilization is on. I'm moving the frames of my camera. You can have an idea about how the ultra wide camera is performing at this stage. As we have seen that there are many modes in the camera department of this new 7 Pro. So first of all, we'll be taking the front facing camera, that is with the 1080 at 30 fps. I was very quite surprised that why iQOO is giving just 30 fps, because as it is loaded with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, so they should give 4K 60 fps like Samsung S21 FE is giving, which is having Exynos 2100, but still they are giving that option. So why can't iQOO give that 4K 60 fps option as well? But anyways, they had given this 1080 at 30 fps only. So as I was observing it, it was well, the camera was over sharpening the human skin tone, and the dynamic range was not very good, but that was okay type. So was quite satisfied with the front facing camera of this Neo 7 Pro. But still some improvements need to be done, some optimization need to be performed with the iQOO team for this camera, so that this camera can get better. And many options, that is 1080 at 30 60 fps, 4K with 30 and 60 fps, and they have also given the ultra wide option as well, which was missing in the Neo 7. So quite commendable with the I'll congratulate the iQOO team for giving the ultra wide option as well in this camera department. At 1080 with 60 fps, the camera was performing very good. The dynamic range was quite excellent, not outstanding, but still that was very satisfying. And yeah, one more thing, talking about the stabilization features in this video department of the camera of this Neo 7 Pro, there were two options, that is the standard stabilization and the ultra stabilization mode. When I was switching on the ultra stabilization mode, I noticed one thing, that while moving the camera, I observed that the camera frames were not moving with the speed at which I was moving the smartphone. So the ratio was not adequate according to me, but still the quality was quite amazing, both with the 1080 and 4K. And yeah, they have given one more thing, that is the dual view video option. that was also performing very good, and very gimmicky thing according to me. And the first time I saw this, that they have given the option of 1080 at 27 fps. So first time I was using it, so quite interesting. And they have also given the option of pro mode with the video with both standard and ultra wide lens, quite amazing. And with there is one mode as well, that is of 50 megapixel, that was shooting the photos very sharply. But yeah, some processing needs to be done in the camera department of this Neo 7 Pro. That is the first and the foremost thing which iQOO should perform with their camera, is that they are over sharpening the skin tone, human skin tone. That is, those are going very whitish, which is just like Oppo, Vivo's camera. Very, so they should give an option of normal mode as well in the camera department, so that when someone is clicking a selfie or taking a photo of human skin tone, so a very original type of skin tone should be taken by this camera. So overall the camera is performing excellent, as it is a gaming phone, but still I'm very happy and satisfied with the camera. And yeah, in the I took these clips in the outdoor, but some of the clips have been taken in indoor, and I was very surprised that how the camera was performing. The camera was performing outstanding in the indoors as well. So very good. So thumbs up for the iQOO team. Hi guys, if you're liking my videos, so please do subscribe to my channel so that you can never miss a video whenever I upload the content on this channel. Thank